the past events we just preserve by interpreting something that happened and how does it importance in the results of our day.
Yes, thank you. So, may idea ka? Understanding perspective of individuals, interpreting the information from the primary, secondary, and tertiary sources, and analyzing more information so that we could gather another information for doing a history, right? So as a future generation, as an agent of social change, it is not enough that we just know about the history. It is not enough that we could just provide a history or going back to the topic of history. We should know also how to write a history. We should know how to search the history. How we could search a history? Paano? In a what way? Yes, because researching history online is the most rampant actions nowadays. What else? How we could provide or how we could find a history? Through what? Libraries, stories, what else? Yes? Journals, what else? News, articles, artifacts. Yes, all of your answers are correct. In doing history, we should provide or we should do something to search about it more deeper. Like what you said, going just like going to museum. Kasi sa museum, there are more artifacts, more information that we could find out. What else? Doing online. So, research online when it comes to history is the most rampant because what? Because what? Because what? Kasi ito ay napapanahon. Technology is rampant nowadays, and as student, as a new generation of this generation, this is the main tools, this is the most important tools na very palagi nating nagagamit. Baka umaga, gabi, hapon, kahit kailanman. Yes, all the time siyang nagagamit. So, internet is the first tool that any student nowadays will use to do research. Cyberspace is a great resource for research if you know how to use it properly. So, how to use it? For example, you will search about the first mass debate. Saang website o saan kayo dapat mag-search nito? Google, Yahoo, Google Scholar. What else? ResearchGate. Saan pa? So, kunyari, nakukuha na kayo ng mga information. Ito, copy nyo lang ba siya? No. Why? Citation. Kasi kung ginampi nyo lang siya, kapag kinuha lang siya, yes, what is the reason? Yes. It's copying other ideas, works, and words without the acknowledge or proper credit with the author. So, kailangan natin ng citation. So, in doing research online, what are the websites or tools na ginagamit natin? Britannica. Gumagamit pa tayo ng Wikipedia? No. Why? It's not reliable. Yes, it could be edited. Ano pa? It is an open website. Anyone could change the information inside it, right? Yes. So, although we could use Wikipedia as an overview of the information, it is parang guide na natin siya to the information na bibili mo natin. But we could not use it in putting or parang yung kukuha na talaga natin ng information kasi there are some information inside the Wikipedia na may errors. Kasi it could be changes, it could be
Wait, ma'am. Yan, manapalog sa ring ma'am. Yan, firme ako, nagagamit ako, firme ako nagagamit ako sa Britannica at pag-research yung information. Ano ito? Information at Britannica, 100% correct ito. Wala ito mga errors. So, ma'am.
Yes.
Correct ito ang information at Britannica.
Yeah, Britannica is one of the websites na very reliable.
Very reliable, para yung mga errors dito.
Yes. So, in doing historical research, may mga kailangan tayong malaman. Oh, first, the information should be reliable. Kasi kung hindi reliable yung information, ano yung i-present natin sa public? Ano yung i-present natin sa information? Misinformation. Mislead natin yung information at may embarrassing for all na mai-present natin yung information. That's why the information should be reliable. So, as a researcher, you need to be what do you mean by precise? What do you mean by precise? What do you mean precise?
Kaso?
For example, di ba have Google, may research na. Ay, imo nga kung mag-research ka na about the first mass debate in the Philippines. Ang imo keywords should be precise, sakto ang imo keywords. Para naman ang information na makukuha mo is sakto ba? Kasi kung di rin precise ang imo information, imo kung ang search tab, diba, damo nga information na magkakagawas na direct accurate sa imo ginbibilin or not the related sa imo information na you wanted to find out. Another is refine. What do you mean by refine? You do research to be for example, si ay sample nag-research kita para may magbaroan na may mundo na sila. Yes, it could be. So, in refine, so, research na, research na ulit. In refine, mamimili naman kamuhin private sources about the cry of Balintawak. Banang ko na kami cry Balintawak. Ito mo gusto? Ang Balintawak, ang cry of Balintawak. Okay, kunyari, mag-research ka mo primary sources cry of Balintawak. Ang iyo i-research dapat when it comes to refine is specific. Like, sino ang author na pangulit kanay originally manuscript, an author, actually yung tumilig, author, and date, if it's outdated, updated, diba, and date, then the place kung diin niya ginganap, it is the refined. Specific words talaga ang imo ikubutan. Specific information, specific details. So that the information na magawas is also specific. Another is limit. What do you mean by limit? What do you mean by limit?
For the limit, if we do research about the information, dapat po ang information po na ating kinukuha is dapat po diriputan ng gipukuha na. Dapat may limitation na ating pagkuha na diriputan ng information is ating kukuha.
Yes, that's right. Yes? You have another importance, di ba? Related. So, the information or the research or the keywords that you should use should not be short and not should be longer. So, dapat exact words ang imo gagamiton. Yes. That's it. So, now, doing historical research in libraries and archives. Ano ka mong libraries and archives? Right? So, research in libraries and archives. These are the repositories of primary and secondary sources that allow us to make analysis of the past through Why? Why? Why do the libraries and archives one of the most important places where you supervise or where you can do the research or research?
Isa sa mga sources na trusted and reliable for information.
Okay, thank you. Another idea.
Siguro ma'am, we can use the libraries and archives because in the first place, it is the place where we store important information. Tsaka po, in libraries and archives, they don't accept unreliable information. That's why, if we come to a library to research something, we are certain na the information that we will be getting is factual and accurate.
Yes, kasi in the first place, magpuputang ba yung library yung information niya dahil reliable? Yes. Magpuputang ba ang library yung information niya chismis lang? Yes. Magpuputang ba ang library yung information niya based on her or his opinion? Yes. The information na a-add to his libraries, of course, is based on the factual evidences. May mga credit, may mga statement, may mga citation na naganap. So, based here han evidence, han information na hindi deeper research na ginanap han mga historians, han mga authors from the primary, secondary, and tertiary sources. Right?
Yes.
So, in doing historical research in libraries and archives, why is it important? Especially nowadays. Nagaganap pa ba or common pa ba ang doing history research or being a researcher in library or archives? Ganay. Why? Why?
From that technology nowadays, so in that case, people rely on technology on getting information rather than going to the library. Even though most people know na they're more reliable on information in the library because others are edited, but they are relying because of its accessibility rather than library nga kung kakadto ka. So in that case, mas ramdam ang nagamit sa ating internet kinsa po library.
Okay. If you're going to choose, what will you choose? Doing a research in online or doing research in archives and libraries? Online. Why? So why not? Why not Hadel Library? So why not? Dahil makikita na ito, right? Why not? What's the advantage? Or disadvantage, I mean. What's the disadvantage in doing research in library or archives?
Mas madali ang technology.
Time out.
I guess the fact na pwede nyo for example, planning or pagmauran, for example, yung library, pwede yan, magamit ang technology mas
Yes, it's less struggle and less hassle. Yes, that's right. Do you have another information idea? And then, why not a library? Or if you're going to choose, kung diin ka mag-search at historical research or information, which, diin ka ba online or a library or library?